you all beautiful people. I am Asmita Srivastav and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the next video of the Uttarakhand series, and this is going to be the Dehradun Masuri vlog. As you might have seen in the last video, we were in Rishikesh and then we went to Haridwar back, and before leaving Haridwar we went to Hari Ki Pauri, and now we are heading towards Dehradun. Dehradun being a peaceful city surrounded by beautiful hills with calm vibes, greenery, and a mix of old and new charm. Just a little drive away is Mussoorie, a lovely hill station known for its cool weather, amazing views, and cozy mountain fields. In this vlog, I'll take you along as I explore both the places, share my experiences, and show you the beauty and calm of these two amazing spots in Uttarakhand. Talking about Dehradun, it is a beautiful city, yet we did not explore it much. Just in the way to Mussoorie, we thought of getting down to FRI, that is the Forest Research Institute. And by now, looking at the infrastructure, if you have not guessed, this is the same institute where the student of the year one has been shot. I mean, look at the infrastructure, it is so beautiful and so huge. And now it is not just about science and research, it has now become a major tourist place because it is so huge and it is so beautiful. You cannot just cover it in one go. To be honest, I was just mesmerized watching these varieties of bougainvillea and these beautiful flowers. And after that, we started to move towards Mussoorie, and this is the time where we started experiencing the real thrill of the hills, cause it now started getting steeper and the height really mattered now. Meanwhile, just in the way to Mussoorie is the Prakasheshwar Mandir of Mahadev. तो हमने सोचा व्हाई नॉट गेट डाउन और महादेव का आशीर्वाद लेके फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. महादेव का आशीर्वाद लेने के बाद वी अगेन स्टार्टेड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स आवर डेस्टिनेशन. और अब ये हिल्स बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहे थे. वहाँ से ऊपर से देहरादून लुक्ड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ऑल्सो अब यहाँ का मौसम प्लेजेंट होना चालू हो चुका था एंड आई वॉज जस्ट इन्जॉइंग द वेदर, द ब्रीज, क्योंकि 40 डिग्री से यहाँ आना फेल्ट लाइक ड्रीम. उधर है वो दिख रहा है हल्का सा है. We just randomly got onto a place जिसका हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं था. सम वाटरफॉल सॉर्ट ऑफ. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ऐसे वाटरफॉल तो कितने सारे देख चुके हैं हम, बट द वेदर इज नाइस. तो प्लीज़ कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है ऐसा कुछ खास यहाँ आने की. I slept after that and woke up to this. We have reached Mussoorie. Quick update you all. So we just went for the dinner और अब हम जा रहे हैं. अरे यार, पूरा अंधेरा ही हो गया. रोशनी में जाके बात करती हूँ. I was saying a quick update. हमने डिनर कर लिया. थोड़ा बहुत ही क्योटिक हो गया था till we reached our hotel, but what I am going to show you is quite worth it. We are in Mussoorie, the actual queen of hills. Look at that. And let me tell you this, अच्छी खासी ठंड है यहाँ भाई. मतलब हम अंबिकापुर, पचमनपुर और कुछ भी गए तो स्वेट शर्ट वाली ठंड, बट बाकियों के लिए अच्छी ठंड है। Good morning you all from the hills of Mussoorie. Good morning you all. Good morning from the hills of Mussoorie. So we were supposed to trek for some sunrise point which was very much not possible because of the time constraints. Also not everyone was literally ready for that, and I so wanted to see the sunrise, but this is the sign that if something went wrong or something did not work as you planned, you just sort of have to believe that you can do whatever you want in the same place where you are in. मतलब अगर बहुत ही ज़्यादा 100% नहीं मिल रहा है, so why not try for 90 at least, cause we are already on top of the hill. हमारा होटल भी ऊपर ही है from the mall road, even बहुत ऊपर है, नॉट नीचे ऐसे मॉल रोड से. एंड लेट मी शो यू द व्यूज़. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैंने यहीं पे सनराइज़ देख लेते हैं, कॉज वाई नॉट. हमें तो इतना भी नहीं देखने को मिलता है फ्रॉम दिस टॉप, एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स लीव एवरीथिंग. मैं 5:15 पे तैयार होके आई हैव कम हियर. इट्स 5:30 नाउ, एंड there is time for sunrise, but let me show you the views from here. When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was alive for wondering. छोटू बच्चूस, अलेवा, अलेवा, अलेवा. My new model, everyone. इधर देखो. अच्छा, तुम अभी तो इतना पोज मार रहे थे. अच्छा, सुंदर. एक्सक्यूज मी, माय मॉडल. फोटो लेने के बाद इग्नोर्ड. After that, we decided to go to Dalai Hills. So it is currently 7 a.m. and we are trekking towards the Dalai Hills. थोड़ी सी थकान हो गई. Let me show you the view. Shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was alive for wondering. Then we moved towards the temple there itself. Now we started moving towards our next spot, that is the Kempty Falls. हमने ऐसे बहुत नीचे जाकर we did not enjoy it क्योंकि हमें निकलना था for Thanolti, but ऊपर से ही we saw and it was very beautiful. ये जो आप नीचे देख रहे हैं, they have created sort of a lake जहाँ से आप waterfall का पानी enjoy कर सकते हैं if you have time. Then we started going to Lendor, which is between Mussoorie and the Nolty. और ये जगह कुछ अलग ही है. It is totally on top of the hill. यहाँ के रोड, यहाँ का स्कूल, the school is so beautiful. यहाँ के फूल बहुत ही खूबसूरत. बट एक गलती हो गई हमसे. We decided to go to the Lendor Bake House. एंड दिस वॉज अ रियलिटी चेक फॉर अस कि जो भी इंस्टाग्राम पे वायरल होता है इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज द सेम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लग चुका था जाम. और क्योंकि वन वे होता है तो सारी गाड़ियाँ नीचे आने से पहले हम ऊपर जा नहीं सकते. तो वी डिसाइडेड कि हमारे पास टाइम कॉन्स्टेंट है तो हम पैदल चल के जाते हैं. बट दैट इज़ सो not possible. इतना दूर on the top of hill it is situated. आप practically जा ही नहीं सकते वहाँ पैदल. So if you are deciding to go to the Lindor Bake House, please गाड़ी से ही जाएं. We finally did not go there और हम वापस आ गए. Now finally we started moving towards Dhanolti और अब यहाँ से हमें दिखना चालू हुए these long pine trees and the rhododendron flowers, that is the Burans की फूल. Then we finally reached to Dhanolti और वहाँ पे हम रुके in this eco park of Dhanolti. We are here at the eco park. अरे हाँ वहाँ पे धूप है. This park had these pine cones and really beautiful flowers. Then we decided to eat something. तो nearby यहाँ पे भुट्टे मिल रहे थे and we stopped at a snack point there and हमने खाई मैगी. But you know what made this snack point so memorable? इसी snack point के बगल में we witnessed something so surreal. You have to see that. What you just saw is the पहाड़ी डोली जो पहाड़ों में उनके देवता की डोली उठती है. We witnessed that and I find myself so lucky. Then we started moving towards चोपटा और वहाँ से almost 8 से 9 घंटे का रास्ता था and it got so dark there तो मैंने कुछ ऐसा रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया. But on the way to Chopta or Srinagar, we found the Tehri Lake और ये लेक इतना बड़ा है that they have made Maldives like hut there और इसका पानी is so beautiful. गंगा माँ has this very bluish or greenish kind of color here and it is so huge. If you are coming just for Tehri Lake, you are going to be very lucky because यहाँ के water sports and everything is so famous. Do search for it और सिर्फ Tehri Lake के लिए you can surely come here for that Maldives like feels. While traveling a long way, we finally reached Chopta और रात में हम टेंट में रुके and we had our dinner. और उसके बाद हम कल ट्रैक करेंगे द टुंगनाथ. Hence, I'll meet you in the Tungnath vlog, the world's highest Mahadev Mandir. Till then, take care. Bye.